So friends, today we will discuss about the aphorism number 23. In the aphorism number 23, we are going to discuss about the antipathy. But before going to discuss the antipathy, we will revert about the previous topics which we have seen. We have seen about the concept of homeopathy, concept of homeopathic medicines, how they are going to act, how these medicines they have been prepared, and in which way the medicines they are removing the complete disease totality in its whole extent. In the same way as the homeopathy it is acting, the homeopathic medicines they are acting, we are going to discuss about the antipathy. So in the antipathy we have seen previously, it is not going to cure the disease in its whole extent. The complete totality of the disease it is not removed by the antipathy. In this aphorism we will see again about the antipathy. When the antipathic medicines they have been given for the treatment in any patient, they are not acting as per the law of similia. They are producing the opposite symptoms in that patient. So these opposite symptoms, when they have been produced in that patient, they are only suppressing or they are palliating the disease symptoms in that patient. So antipathy it can't cure the disease in its whole extent. It means for a time being, for a while, for a few months or for few years, these diseases they are feeling as if they have been cured in that patient, but they are only a temporary relief in that patient. When the action of these antipathic medicines they have been finished from that patient, after that certain period these complaints they are reappearing in that patient. So after the treatment in the antipathy, the patients they are feeling better for a while. After the finishing the course of that antipathic medicines, the patients they are feeling again by those complaints. That is the palliative mode of treatment. It is called as palliation. It is happening in those patients, and patient is feeling again by those disease complaints. After the palliation, what is happening? As I have said, the disease it is coming again, it is reappearing in that patient. Disease reappears with increased intensity and in aggravated form. As the medicines they have been used in that patient, medicines they are removing those symptoms for a while, patient is feeling better for a while. After finishing the course of that medicine, the patient is getting ever aggravated sufferings by the same disease complaints they are reappearing in that patient. When this reappearance of the disease it is happening there, the disease previously it has been felt by that patient, it is again felt in increased intensity or in an aggravated form. Why it is there? Because it was the palliation, it was the suppression previously because of the antipathic modes of the treatment. In short, these antipathic modes of the medicines, these treatments which has been conducted in the antipathy, they can't cure the disease completely or in its whole extent. Means, as we have seen in the homeopathy, the homeopathic medicines they are going to cure the disease completely in its whole extent by maintaining all the principles, by maintaining all the theories of homeopathy which are going to concern with the humanity. Here in the antipathy, these treatments they are not giving the complete relief to the patient for his disease. After the treatment in the antipathy, the diseases they are reappearing. In this reappearance, the disease it is coming back in aggravated or in an increased intensity. Means in front of you, this is not the option for the treatment of any patient to cure his disease in its whole extent. In the next aphorism, we will discuss about the pathy which we are discussing, the homeopathy only it is remaining for your treatment of patient to cure his disease in its whole extent. Only the option is in front of you, that is the homeopathy. That's all.